Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Well, good morning, everyone. Let's make another one of these. Finally, my idea for chopsticks is turning out. So I'll get set up here, show you what's going on. It's a nippy one this morning, minus 22 Celsius. So I don't know how the sand's going to behave, but guess we're going to find out, eh? There we go. All right, folks. Here's the setup. I'll put that in there. Now I made this these up to do a longer chopstick, and was just I've been fighting it for 2 years. So yeah. So I just make these up. So I just put a little filler block in the back. I don't have to pack quite as much sand. So we'll get this in there, back and forth. I'll show you how it goes as we go. Okay, so I got it packed, powdered, and here we go. I'm going to lay that in there. I'm going to push it in halfway, put the top half on, do it again, and I'll show you. I'll be back when I have all the vents in place. Okay. So I'm going to rattle your cage here now with my hammer. Always got to remember to push down hard on the flask, the box, or you'll push it right out the other side. Okay. I used Douglas fir for this box. Probably should have used pine or something like that. This thing's got slivers. So okay, let's see what happens. Yeah. Okay, looks like a fair chance of recovering that. Well, aside from that thing, I'm going to pour this. I am going to pour this. So I'm going to put in my vents and play around with this a little bit more. I think I need to put a little taper on these so it pulls up easier. But I think we got a chance. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, here we go. Well, as most of you know, I'm a real fan of vents. You can't put in too many, that's for sure. So we've just got to track down both sides to a hole and just use my little soldering pick here to put in a bunch of places for the air to escape. So let's fix up the other end there at the sprue, and we're going to give this thing a go. You see over at the torch. All right, now all clamped up. Things are looking okay inside. Now, my previous failures with these, I was using 7.5% copper to make my sterling, and it just wasn't tough enough. And I was really at wit's end. And talking to Redneck one day, he said, no, try zinc. I said, zinc? And he says, well, I recover some and add a touch of copper to it as well, just a touch. So that is probably 98% zinc, 2% copper, and here we have 92.5% silver and 7.5% zinc copper. Now I poured these 3 times, 3.7 and 0.3, making for 4 troy ounces. I can't believe how tough this is. This little slice of a bar here in the bolt cutters is as tough as cutting a 10-ounce bar. I'm just absolutely amazed. So, did a great job. Very, very different. So we'll get the torch out here and start to make things happen. Okay. And we'll get the fire on her. Always the first pour of the day always takes the longest. This will be about 12 minutes or so. Always seems like longer, but it just is what it is. And right when this stuff is ready to pour, it sort of has a little bit of a skim on it on the top when you take the torch off. It disappears right away when the torch goes back on it. So I'll be back when this is ready. We got a bit of blue flame. We have a little bit of orange flame. We got some green flame. And good thing the got the fan running. A nice little exhaust fan here. That is that. So let this set up and I'll open up the flask and I'll be back. Alright folks, well, looks like we got us another pour. Nice big sprue. And in the mold here, we can see, let's see, you see them little tiny bits of silver trying to climb up those vent lines. So that was perfect. Exactly what I was looking for. So, I'm going to sit with the pedestal polisher over here for probably, I don't know, 10 or 15, 20 minutes tuning this one up. And we'll see you again when these are done. Okay. Well, here we are. It's not until you get into the final parts starting to polish, and you'll see all the file marks and stuff after I worked on this for an hour, but coming along. We'll get them all polished up and ready for auction. You all take care, and I'll see you at the house. Well, hello my friends. Here we have the finished chopsticks. And my next little trick for straightening out things that are bent. What we do is set up 3 dowels in the vise like you see. And, just give a little pinch, a roll, a touch, and they will straighten out your bent parts. So, no worries. I got more tips coming. And the chopsticks really did turn out nice. They're 1.5 ounces a piece. And we'll go for $45 US for 3 ounces. So there you go. These are great to have done. And my next set will be square down to the taper to the round. And they should be about the same weight. So there you go. That's the end of this one. Last tip. And these zinc alloy sterling pieces are really tough. So take care now. Love you a bunch. Don't forget to be checking out Redneck Metals group and Canadian Silver Saver for any of my pieces you may like. Love you all. Take care now. Bye.